A few years ago, days like today were a little calmer. Nowadays, they're a little harder. I became a father 792 days after I lost mine. Can't wait to see him again and make up for lost time. My dad left on the 18th. My son was born on the 18th. Different years, different months, same dreams. I want the best for him like he wanted the best for me. Only way to achieve both is to be the best I can be. I may not have a clue most of the time. Might get the temperature slightly wrong at bath time, or dress him in clothes that might be the wrong size. But one thing I can't get wrong is I have to be present. Learn lessons, but be present. Through second guessing, be present. Cause when they fall down, we have to help them rise. Happy Father's Day to all of the dads, as we embrace the biggest adventure of our lives.